Hi students, welcome back to mathematics class. Children, do you remember the last class? In our previous class, we discussed about the topic multiplication and division of rational numbers. Today, we are going to discussing about the topic rational numbers in standard form. Let us consider the following rational numbers. 3 by 5, minus 5 by 8, 2 by 7 and minus 7 by 11. Look at this. The denominators of these rational numbers are positive integers and 1 is the only common factor between the numerators and denominators. That means these numerators and denominators are divisible by the number 1 only. Further, the negative sign occurs only in the numerators. Such rational numbers are said to be in standard form. A rational number is said to be in the standard form if its denominator is a positive integer and the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. If the rational number is not in the standard form, then it can be reduced to the standard form. Look at the following examples. Reduce minus 45 by 30 to the standard form. To reduce the rational number to its standard form, we divide its numerator and denominator by their HCF, ignoring the negative sign if any. That means here we want to find out the HCF of 45 and 30. HCF of 45 and 30 is equal to, HCF means the highest common factor of 45 and 30, that is equal to 15. Now we divide both numerator and denominator by the HCF of 45 and 30. That means minus 45 divided by 15 divided by 30 divided by 15. And what is minus 45 by 15? That is equal to minus 3 divided by 30 by 15, that is equal to 2. So the answer is minus 3 by 2. So the standard form of minus 45 by 30 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Next one, reduce 36 by minus 24 to the standard form. Here the denominator is a negative number. So there is a negative sign in the denominator. Divide the given number by minus HCF. So here also first find out the HCF of 36 and 24, that is equal to 12. 12 is the highest common factor of 36 and 24. So here the denominator is a negative number, minus 24. So divide both numerator and denominator by minus 12. Minus 12. And 36 divided by minus 12 is equal to minus 3 divided by minus 24 divided by minus 12, that is equal to 2. So the standard form of 36 by minus 24 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Remember, if there is a negative sign in the denominator, divide both numerator and denominator by negative HCF. Here HCF is positive number 12. But here we divide both numerator and denominator by minus 12. Reduce minus 3 by minus 15 to the standard form. Here also first find out the HCF of 3 and 15. HCF of 3 and 15 is 3. Here also the denominator is a negative number. If there is negative sign in the denominator, divide by minus HCF. So minus 3 divided by, here HCF is 3. Minus 3 divided by minus 15 divided by minus 3. Minus 3 divided by minus 3, that is equal to 1, divided by minus 15 divided by minus 3, that is equal to 5. So the standard form of minus 3 by minus 15 is equal to 1 by 5. Remember, if there is negative sign in the denominator, divide by minus HCF.
So dear children, to reduce the rational numbers to its standard form, we divide its numerator and denominator by their HCF, ignoring the negative sign if any.